There we go. That should just do it, I think. Jesus Christ, it's terrible quality. Oh my god. I've gotta, I guess, just get rid of that. There we go. I think it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Don't know what's doing this time.
I'll just be sat here writing up my Godzilla King of the Monsters review while you play the game.
Fair enough.
9 million things to do at the moment. This really shouldn't be priority number one, but it is.
No, you might as well. I mean, what else are you going to do while I'm...
Well, bug fix as you play.
Well, yeah. I mean, we'll see how many I run into.
No,
Okay, the first time I just double-clicked on it and it opened in no time, and now it's being a little bitch about it.
Oh, I just realised I can't write this fucking review.
Why?
Because I need to listen to the score. I haven't listened to the whole thing, and I can't listen to it now because it'll be on YouTube or whatever, and it'll break it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you may or may not be the subject. My tutor may or may not at some point watch this video.
Oh, God. I should stop making jokes about that collection that I joked about.
No, it'll be fine. Probably.
Probably.
I can't make
Just
any
like...
promises.
Oh!
See, I
Oh!
told you you'd like it.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I thought you'd like that. That wasn't actually made by me. That was done by very kindly by one of my teammates who's extremely good at particle systems.
That's very cool.
Although I did make it work.
Nice.
Yeah, do you like the little clouds that come out when you rotate as well?
Very nice. Oh, yeah, that's so much better than the triangles. Oh, it's even got the sideways little... Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah, apologies, any viewers. We're not going to get sound from James.
Oh, what is the sound not working?
No, it's Discord. It won't do... It doesn't stream sound. I don't think it streams sound.
Okay.
Oh my god. Go away, Discord. Does it stream sound?
I'll tell you what else the particles are good for. It's a much better way of working out your velocity. I don't know whether that was intentional, but obviously if you do a little jet based on how fast it moves away,
Yeah, that's like an unintended excellent feature that we've discovered, yeah. You can basically
because
see where you're going.
yeah, it's really nice. Like, yeah, see, even though it's going up there, it's still moving that way, so I know it's going. That's nice. You don't have to have that red line anymore.
You can go to game activity and add it. What the fuck is that? Oops, I swore on a video. What the gosh is that? Oh, whatever. It doesn't really matter. The sound design, I think, is fairly... Point out any sound problems if you encounter them.
Right, what sound problems were you on about?
Oh, well, I'm trying to get the sound to work on this stream so I can hear your game.
Okay.
I don't think it can be done very easily, so we'll just...
Oh.
They'll just have to listen to our beautiful voices instead. I'm just going to move my... Oh, that's your mouse. Get your mouse off the screen.
Oh, yeah. Frustrating. I'm getting a solid 60 FPS, so that's nice.
Do you want to go refuel? 'Cause,
Instead of landing, okay.
yeah. So
Oh,
that's
the
a new
landing
thing.
sure can now be viewed. Oh, that's nice. Instead of it just popping up and saying,
Yeah, I thought that would be
you
better.
listen to it. Yeah. Very nice.
For, oh, what's the word? Context, viewers. James played the game last week without the new story things, so he hasn't seen it yet, but that's why he knows some stuff.
Without
Hasn't
any
played it once.
animations, or sorry, these particle effects either.
Yeah, it was all triangles last week. They're so nice. We're so happy with them, like, genuinely.
Yeah, that's really nice. Alright, so I'm going to go refuel. So I didn't attempt this before, so let's see how badly it's going to go.
It probably won't go very well. Refueling has always been a bit neglected in development.
Hang on, let me just read up again.
Did you just click the refueling tutorial and the landing tutorial came up?
Yes.
Fuck. I mean, gosh.
if I do the land, okay, if I click any of them, the landing
Oh,
tutorial
crap.
comes up.
Okay, that's fine. I know exactly what causes that. The problem with it, this is why QA testers are a thing, right? Because there's
Yeah.
just, you change one thing, it just breaks everything. It's a nightmare.
Do you know what? It's almost got me feeling a little bit sorry for Todd.
No, he's got a QA team. Don't feel sorry for him. I forgot one.
That's true, actually. They play tested it and thought it was a good game, so that's worse.
It's just me and you and Sid. Sid, my little
All right.
brother. For
So
context viewers.
this big thing's a gas giant, which I can refuel in, isn't it?
Yes. Can you
It's
not
saying,
Oh, you will be able to read it once you go into the gas giant. Press B. It will work then.
okay. If I press B now, it comes up with system. Oh,
Yeah,
there we
because
go.
you're in
It's
the
still
map.
down there.
Whenever you're in the map, you
Yeah.
can read that.
Ah, that's nice. That's very handy. Oh my
I
god, I'm going fast.
I know exactly why it's doing that as well. I just need to find the right line of code. Yes, viewers, I am bug fixing while he's playing the game. I really should be doing. Oh, I need to write my damn speech thing for tomorrow.
Oh wait. Oh my god, that was close.
What did you do?
I pressed Y instead of X and got out the ship.
Try not to do that.
Yeah. Well, luckily the velocity of my player was the same as the.
Would you mind as well telling me when significant audio events happen? So, like, if the ship says something important, just tell me.
Oh, okay. Well, it said all the sort of tutorial things.
Yeah, I think the tutorial works fine. I've playtested it enough because I have to go through it every time I start the game.
Oh yeah, that's so nice having the having timescales stop at the right time.
Oh, what? It doesn't go to 0 anymore.
Yeah. Is for the gas giants, is the landing sort of the same as with other planets?
No, it's a gas giant. There's nowhere to land. It's very, very different.
Okay, so is there gravitational pull still?
Yes, but it pulls you to
Okay,
the center, not down. There's
okay,
no down.
okay.
I mean, you'll see when you go in, but it is different. It works
Yeah,
much more. It works much better. The transitions.
okay.
You don't need to be going
What?
massively slowly.
Oh, you don't or you do?
Don't. Well, I
Okay,
mean, it helps, but you know, it's not as big a problem as it normally is.
yeah.
Like you can probably just slide in there at 50 and it'll be fine.
Okay, well, I'm going in at a very reasonable 32.
Alright, that should fix it. I'm now playing the game while you're playing the game. Excuse the sounds you're going to hear, viewers. It won't be from his game, it will be from mine.
Oh crap, I'm speeding up again. Oh, the light coming out the back of the ship from
Have you
the
seen that? Yeah, I can't remember if
Autopilot
you'd seen
yeah.
it or not.
disengaged.
No, it's new.
Yeah, I fixed it. That bug is fixed.
Oh, whoa. God, I mean, oh my God, gas giants are
Go in
interesting.
the map.
In the map.
You can use the map in Gas Giants.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Now it's giving me the tutorial. All right, so I need to locate a fuel cloud. Refuel also no, particularly refueling. Right. Okay. Are the fuel clouds still triangles?
Yes, there will always be triangles.
Okay.
We haven't got the time, or frankly, I like the triangles as well. They stand out.
I was gonna say yeah, because
Like if they were
seeing
actual
a cloud
clouds,
of
you wouldn't be able to see them.
yeah, exactly. Seeing a cloud of gas against all the other clouds of gas could be.
Tell me if you see them. Actually, that's a good point. When you're in the map, because you will need to be in the map to see them.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see them. Yeah.
I probably should stop talking so that he can actually play the game. And stop telling him what to do. Apparently, that's a genuine problem I have, telling people how to play the game. I shouldn't be doing it because it's playtesting, which is absolutely true. So I'm gonna shut up.
So I'm gonna have to hover while I refuel. Oh shit, the clouds move.
Did you read the tutorial?
Yeah, I did. Oh god. Oh, right. Here's a cloud. Here's a cloud. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck.
Autopilot.
Oh yeah. Right.
That wasn't cheating, viewers. He should have known that from the tutorial. Or unless it's not in there, which it might not be. I actually can't remember.
What, the refueling tutorial? It doesn't actually tell you to autopilot.
You're right. Maybe I should add that. Would you suggest that, James, as your first?
Potentially, yeah, because
These are my
I was
notes.
thinking, man, this is going to be hard to hover about. Right. Okay.
Fortitude 1.6.
Oh, I'm not close enough.
Add autopilot. Prompt for refueling. Tutorial.
Haha. Right.
Now watch yourself, and the tutorial does tell you this, because you're going to need to occasionally go into the map, because those clouds will start coming as soon as you enter that cloud.
Oh, what, the destructive clouds?
Yeah, they're attracted to...
Oh god, it's going away.
Yeah, it's because it's getting pulled in.
Shit. Oh shit. What did it?
This isn't a particularly great playtest of the mechanic, because you're on full fuel. James,
Yeah.
James.
Oh shit! No! I forgot I was remote control. Oh god, have I done it again? Oh god, destructive elements on approach. Oh, I've paused it again, haven't I, Fred?
I don't know.
Oh god, I hear something coming,
Here's something coming.
or something like building.
There's the ship. It just went past you on your right.
Oh yeah,
Autopilot it.
I can't.
Oh, you can't,
Wait,
because go into remote control and autopilot it.
go into what?
Remote control.
Oh, right.
Yeah, refueling is a bit buggy. Well, not buggy, just neglected, so it's not really been... Yeah. The problem with it is I can see a million tiny things I want to change, but I just don't have time to do them before I end it.
I don't think I'm ever gonna get back to this ship. Do you know what? Ah,
Yeah, you hit the core.
ah. Okay, well that was refueling.
What did you think of it as a concept rather than the actual execution?
Yeah, it was good. I mean, it's gonna be tricky because obviously you can't go out that bubble. I kind of want to know what the red
They just blow you
bad
up
triangles do. Oh, okay.
if
What do
they
you have to
touch you.
do then? Fly away from them?
Yeah, you basically got to... Because they all go towards the spot where you were refueling.
Right. So you've got to constantly avoid them.
So you've got to move.
Right. Okay.
So the problem you had there was that the ship was moving, but the problem with it, I've struggled with this because this has been brought up before. If the only way I can get the ship to stop moving is to get rid of the gravitational pull, but that kind of gets rid of all of the danger. So
Mm,
I can't stop it from drifting away because that's how gravity works.
yeah.
So I've never really been able to figure out how to fix that.
To be fair, it was my first time trying it. Now I'm aware of it. I'll probably be.
Are you going to go try again?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I've got messages from Josh. I should probably... I'll tell you what, I'll check them on my phone so that the viewer's experience is uninterrupted. What is Josh want?
Ooh. I hear an alien sound. Unknown signal detected. Triangulating orange.
Yeah, cheers. Reading them out is actually a good thing. Or, telling me what they say.
Mm-hmm. All right. So shall I do the story? And I'm assuming I'll have to refuel in due course, or
You won't, because that hasn't been play tested yet. Refueling doesn't really come into it. But feel free to do the story. Head up to Diadem. Or
do I not
actually,
go?
should
Do I
you...
not go to the moon first for
You should
12
go to the
minutes?
moon first. I'm just thinking about
Yeah.
time frame. But obviously time is one thing we need to play test, and you can't see the
Yeah.
timer in the top left. Damn it.
I can. It's very small.
What does it
But
say?
it says time 57, 10,
Okay.
and
That
60
won't be in the
FPS.
final game.
While the timer?
Yeah, it won't be there.
Oh, okay.
What's your frame rate? Oh,
60 FPS.
okay,
Solid.
good.
Oh, okay.
The ending of the game is quite laggy. It'll be interesting to see what you get because your computer's better than mine.
Okay.
Although for the show, it's going to be played on a damn Mac.
God.
Yeah.
Just tell people recommended specs for an i7 7700K overclocked with a GTX 2080 Ti, and just
Yeah,
see people go, "What
minimum
the hell?"
requirements. Looks at the game, there's like 5 planets. How the
Number one review. How the hell have they not optimized this?
it's not optimized is the point really. Just think there was going to be asteroid fields rather, like everywhere. There's two. There's one where you spawn and there's one up by Diadem. But I'm not putting any
Interesting.
more in because it's going to break the game.
Yeah.
You were using the wrong thrusters. You do know that.
Oh crap! That's why I was so slow. Forgot. I was just using like the time scale to.
That was a fair suggestion, viewers. He's incompetent.
Yes.
I'm trying not to tell him what to do. I swear. Right, you were actually able to land this last time, so let's see. This is, well, I'm not sure annoyingly is the right word. Incidentally, the hardest place to land in the game, this moon. Well, that's not true, actually, second hardest.
Oh god, have I not done the hardest?
No, the other one, the Rikers moon up to the north of the map is the hardest.
Okay. Oh fuck! Goddamn gravity.
Oh, did you like, by the way, if you can toggle the map,
What do you mean?
like, halfway,
Oh yes,
rather than having
that's
to
a nice
wait.
feature. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's such a quality of life improvement. Like some of the best quality of life improvements are the ones you don't even notice.
Yeah, exactly.
That is this.
Quality of life is half the battle with this thing as well, because as my tutor said last week, you can have the greatest game in the world, but if you just have this one feature that's just continually frustrating, then it just takes it away from all of it.
Yeah.
Like he was talking about, actually, I think you might have. No, you would have been playing the build after I fixed that. But basically, I can't remember if I told you the ship used to be top heavy.
Oh yes.
As a
Yeah,
result, it
yeah,
used to bounce around a lot.
yeah. Luckily,
You were post that, I think,
I
weren't
was
you?
post that. Yeah.
But yeah, and it was
All right.
I could see his frustration. That's why we fixed it quite quickly. Funnily enough, I never had the issue, but I guess that's just because I'm expert level playing the game.
Oh god, I'm feeling the gravity now.
It's not even a boast. I've just been programming it for so long. It's like intuitive.
Well, that makes sense. Yeah, you play like constantly to try and get it. Oh my god, this is taking a while. This moon's got pretty far.
It's because the
Have
moon
you
is
sped it up or anything? Like,
nope. It's because the
okay.
moon moves quickly.
Oh, whoa.
Ah, yeah, that's another bug.
That's cool. Oh, okay. I thought it was like a cloud or something. So the map is on the.
The
Okay.
moon ones are, yeah. The moons used to have trails.
Yeah.
They don't anymore.
Oh, yeah. Now it's a circle. I remember it was a trail. To be fair, it makes more sense being a ring. I think
Yeah, fix
more
moon
understandable what
rings.
it is.
Disabling on map exit. What's your timer?
47. I've wasted 13 minutes
Oh, we're
in.
definitely gonna have to bump that.
Yeah, no, no, no. The problem was I wasn't using the full boost thrusters. I just upped the time scale.
Yeah, but if people make that kind of mistake, but then I suppose the game is supposed to punish people for that kind of thing. So I don't know. We'll see.
Um, Maybe the timer starts a bit later. Is it possible that the timer starts once you've landed on your first planet?
You
Maybe.
weren't paying attention. You're gonna die.
No, I'm. Oh God, how am I on 75?
It's literally you take your eye off it for a second and
Yeah,
you
I
die.
did. literally a second. Oh my god, that was a high speed collision. I was cruising along. I was on 40.
This is why we don't chat during playtesting.
Yeah, I'm sorry. All right.
You're using the wrong thing again.
I know I'm not using the fast one now. I'm just navigating around the asteroids.
There will be farm. I can't remember if you played it when there was other asteroids there.
Yeah, there was a lot more asteroids. Yeah.
Yeah, they've been removed for testing. They will be back.
Oh, okay. Well,
Just
just to
because,
make it easier to get out.
yeah, because I was getting really annoyed with having to push these asteroids out of the way every time I wanted to test something. I
Hmm.
was like, right, get out of the game. Yeah, the thing with the moons is they make you a lot faster when you're closer. And
Yeah.
again, that's still something I can't fix because it's a moon. So it's just in terms of physics, it's a very, very fast moving little object. So
Yeah.
it creates a lot of force, as it would
Yeah.
in real life. But this is this is half the problem I've had with this game is implementing these realistic physics, which then work annoyingly realistically.
Yeah. I mean, you will pick up speed as you get closer to a large object. So
Yeah.
can't really like apologize for that. All right.
But it does mean that you really have to watch it, otherwise you will literally suddenly you were going at 50 and now you're going at 100.
Yeah. Oh, while triangulation is recommended a nearby planetary moon for exploration.
I know why that happened, don't worry.
What is it? My time scale doesn't appear to be working. Oh,
It
there we go.
doesn't initially for the tutorial, so you can't skip it.
Okay. Okay, yeah. That is more than fair. Right.
Are you still around tomorrow night? Because I don't know, I feel like we probably might want to do more as well. If
Yeah,
that's if you're
I
up for it,
probably.
of course.
Yeah, I probably will be.
You won't be able to go above 10 for the, yeah. That's just been unlocked so I can whiz around the map as fast as I please.
Okay, yeah. Oh, look at this. I think I've nailed. Oh, maybe not.
You're alright.
No, I think I was trying to predict where it was going to be.
Good, that's exactly what we want you to do.
Yeah.
That, incidentally, is how they do it in real life.
Yeah, they aim where the planet's going to be, not where it is now.
Yep.
Which is the mistake when I first started playing that I kept doing.
Kept chasing it.
Yeah. And then you overshoot it, and then you've got miles to get. You got to slow down your velocity completely, you know.
Mm. Yeah, this is one of the things with this game. Like I've been playtesting it a fair bit. Well, not as much as I should because I've just been busy. But
Mm.
this game does assume basic space knowledge,
Yeah,
and like I've been told like, oh, that's not intuitive. I'm like, I don't really think it should be, because like
yeah,
things where you've got to go in front of the moon, you would know that if you were even remotely interested in space.
yeah.
But that's not intuitive in the game. It's assumed knowledge.
Yeah, but
But then
depends what you're trying to
again,
achieve, I guess. Like,
yeah. Then again, our audience for this game is people who like space games, and they ought to know things like that. So
yeah,
there's kind of a fine balance between assuming a player knows something and assuming a player will work something out.
yeah. All you need to say is like on the well, if you were talking marketing, all you'd need to say is this is a realistic or aims to be a realistic physics-based game.
A mixture of Kerbal Space Program and Alien in 2D.
I have spot on nailed this, I reckon. Maybe a little touch. Oh wait, wrong way. Maybe a little touch that way.
I really, really love those particles.
They're so good. They're so good for more direction than anything else. Like right now, I've got the red line on, but only because I'm lining up for planet. I think when I'm just sort of zipping about, I don't really
I
need it.
hate that red line. I hate it so much. It's so
Yeah.
ugly compared to everything else.
Oh god, I'm at 50 and I'm not
You'll be
decreasing.
alright. You're actually going to be fine. Maybe not.
Why is it picking up speed so
Because you're
much?
going in.
Come on, come on.
Remember, you can hit that old autopilot at 30.
Yeah,
Remember, literally hug that line. I'm gonna put that
Yeah.
in the tutorial as well. Hug the line.
Oh,
Hug
yeah.
it, hug it, hug it. You're close.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
You'll be alright actually. You'll probably be fine if you can hit that. Hit it now, hit it now. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm gonna add that into the tutorial so that people know you can use
What that you can?
autopilot to save your
Yeah.
life. Is it saying anything?
There's a large body of water below the surface.
Yeah, so that's what
Nice.
you were saying last week, like a little prompt to tell you what to do.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Also, one of these tunnels has had its icicle pointy out bits removed, so you can fly.
Oh, so that's the one I was supposed to get.
Well, I mean, if you didn't find
Oh,
it, then normal people won't find it, but...
that's the Pathfinder line is back.
Can you hear anything?
Oh, I heard some. Don't know whether I heard something or not.
I've made it a lot bigger and a lot bigger range.
Oh, yeah, I think I hear something. I hear like a. So yeah, it's definitely something that wasn't there last time. I think.
Good. Yeah, last time we had a problem where James couldn't find the monster, or even hear it, so it was just kind of detracted from the whole thing. I can see so many shadows moving on your screen. Is that
Yeah,
happening for you?
yeah,
That's good. That's what we want. Because like the idea is you see shadows moving, you're like, oh, is that it or is that not it?
yeah.
And hopefully, the even if it does move through you, you won't be able to tell.
Hmm.
Well, I mean,
Are
you
you
will
gonna
if you're
add?
looking.
Are you gonna add particles for the little dude's jetpack or?
Um, if I have time. There's so much I'm doing right now. It's on the list, but low on the list.
Yeah.
The first point of contention is adding the little dude, so he's not a stick man.
Oh, there's actually gonna be a. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that we because you spend so much of the game outside.
Yeah.
He needs to be an astronaut. Josh has been building an astronaut design, and he looks really cool. He's got like the color scheme of the ship, but the kind of
Oh, nice.
suit design is something like a sleek version of the astronaut, like Alien. You know the spacesuits
Ah,
they had in
yeah,
Alien.
yeah,
It's really cool. I liked it a lot.
yeah. I'm definitely hearing something moving around in this
Can
water
you
with
hear it
me.
directionally? You can tell you where it is.
Yeah, that's why I'm sort of heading this way. I can hear it in my right ear more than my left.
Good. Is that it?
There's so many shadows there.
This is actually making me question it now. I can see so many things moving.
Yeah.
Are you having moments where you're looking through and you're going, was that it? Oh wait, no, that's just a shadow.
Oh wait, hang on. All right, it's telling me to get the fuck out of Dodge. Uh, Pressing the Y button. Nope. Oh god, nope. Oh no. Oh
Oh, you've really lost that one.
yeah. I was. Oh no. Right.
Properly stuck.
Yeah. This could be a bit of a problem. Yes. Right. This is a problem.
See,
I.
should I add something to fix that? Or is
I mean,
this something of your own making that I should just leave you to your own devices for?
what would be really cool would be if you could go out on foot and retrieve this piece, but I
You
know that would
can.
be. Wait, what?
You can go and pick them up.
What? And carry them back to the ship?
Yeah,
Oh, fantastic.
it's been in the game since like April for exactly that reason.
Oh god, where's that shadow? Oh right. All right, let's go find another hole out because
But
I'm
my
pretty
question is
sure
like,
I've got
should there
another.
be anything more than that? Because you've got yourself stuck, and that's frustrating, especially the way you've done it.
No, not getting yourself stuck. Maybe a hint that as a person I can go and pick up a piece because I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, of course, that's a good idea. Let me note that down.
Yeah,
Perhaps
whether you can add it on a
inform.
tutorial or whatever, but
Yeah, relatively easily. Perhaps inform player that they can retrieve ship parts on foot. It is a bit buggy, though, so just kind of watch. Don't pick it up next to any big rocks, because it might break.
Okay.
Oh god, what was the other thing? Add hug the line prompt for landing tutorial.
Oh God, where's the other hole?
There's a big ocean. There's only like
Yeah,
3 in the entire world.
it's a big ocean, and I'm a little man.
Yeah, see, it's this kind of thing that makes me think the time should be extended. Because this is gonna
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah, people are gonna mess up. Let me just. I'm wondering if that part I'm holding.
It's stuck on a rock.
What the part?
Yeah, I saw it before you managed to crash down there. I saw it get stuck. It's stuck on a rock. It ain't
Okay.
coming nowhere. That I can't fix. There is literally nothing I can do about it. Like, what am I supposed to do?
No, I suppose it gravitates to the center, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
And
goes towards the player. Short of giving it actual AI, which I don't have time to make, there's nothing I can do.
no.
I can't remember if it was
Oh,
you that suggested it, but I did actually add the controlling the movement of it with the joystick.
what was it before?
Currently, it's you pull the stick down towards you and it pulls it towards you.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But now it's you pull it.
No, it isn't that.
Oh, okay, right,
But
yeah.
I tried
Okay.
that, and
Oh, okay, yeah.
it doesn't. You can't do it. It's
It was just too, yeah. It's
because not because it doesn't
very.
work, because it does, but you can't. Because you can't. It doesn't come towards you. It's incredibly difficult to get it to come towards you.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because if you hold down the stick currently, it just pulls it towards you. Whereas if you lose sight of it with this other mechanic, then you've lost it. Because God knows
Yeah,
where it is. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah,
I don't want to switch the camera perspective to it because then that detracts from the whole thing and it makes everything messy and
yeah. Oh, it's this cave.
it
I
basically
remember
massively
this cave.
complicates it. And I'm like, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, to be fair. Ah, here's the only thing. How do I know from here where the up bit is when I'm walking along it?
Hmm. I mean, the idea is in situations like that when you're unsure, you get the ship, but obviously you can't.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, Josh's environmental designs are fantastic. They really are, but they haven't been play tested, and they
yeah.
can't be because we just don't have the time to fix them. But as a
May
result,
I suggest, you know that little map editor thing that you've got that you can have on your screen when you're going into the game?
no, what?
You know, like when you go and edit something, it comes up with like the game edit thing, and on it there's a picture of the map, right? Could you just get that up on your screen for a second so I can work out where I am and slightly
Oh,
cheat my way
sorry.
out of it?
Yeah, I was like, what the hell are you talking about? Oh my god, the lag. I would, but it's oh my fucking hell. It's oh my god, Josh. Really? How are you supposed to get out of there?
Yeah, so I can't get out of there as the player, I'm assuming.
No. I mean, hug the ceiling and you might be able to, and you can't move the ship.
Yeah.
But annoyingly, this playtest isn't going anywhere near as well as it was last time.
Yeah. All right, there's got to be like something. What if my little side thrusters? It's not doing. Literally not doing anything.
It's because you're stuck, well and truly. Try rotating to your left.
That's what I'm trying now. I'm holding left. I'm holding right. I'm holding the little stabilize button.
You just. Again, it's just meticulous circumstances. You've just managed to get yourself stuck.
Yeah. Okay. Restart.
Oh, that's so annoying. I don't even know what I would do in that situation to fix it as well, short of adding a big fucking rock in that cave.
Well,
Like,
it's always a trade-off because you need it to be able to be easy for the ship to get down, and also easy for the player to get out.
yeah. I mean, that cave is just too big.
It's a nice cave though, because that's the cave I went down when I was in the ship. Do you remember the very first time? And I was like, oh, that's nice. I was like, that's
Mm,
a cool cave.
yeah, it's just because these environments have been play tested. They work fine mostly, but you can get into some situations where it's just too much
Yeah.
and you can't get out. Like that
I mean,
cave is a bit of an issue.
yeah.
But in that
I don't.
situation, sorry, you were saying.
Yeah, I don't even know. Like, it was entirely my fault there because I just forgot that if you put a ship sideways, it's going to crash sideways. What I should have done was hover. So it's self-inflicted.
Do you want to just head over to Diadem so we can just do the story?
Yeah. Which diadem is? Start playing like. Wish there was a way to zoom out a bit. Which one's? Where am I heading? Just north or
Top right, top left rather.
top left?
If you're that far in the story, the pointy thing points towards Diadem.
Oh,
Actually, no, you
okay,
don't want to
cool.
go to Diadem. You want to go to Alcaloda, the other way, top right. And you're using the wrong thrusters again.
I don't know how they got turned off.
Hmm. Should I add a prompt for them? There is a prompt for them. You're just not seeing it.
When does it do the prompt?
It's doing it now. The three things.
Do you mean the three things?
Toggle. Let's see.
Oh, I thought you meant have a prompt to tell the player that there is. Yeah.
I don't want to swamp them with the AI voice though. That's the thing. And
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I should.
Because the problem is, in this case, like especially with the playtesting and like the marking, they're going to read the tutorials. But I know when I play 95% of games, I do not read the tutorials.
I'm exactly the same. I never read them. But in this
Yeah,
game, you literally have to.
yeah. I mean, that's fair. Like, that's how games used to be in a way. Like, it's a throwback and it's a nice thing to have.
Yeah, it's either that or I have the ship AI meticulously tell you everything in those tutorials, and that's just worse.
Yeah,
Because, like, imagine having some voice drone at you forever. I mean, you do, you've got me, but you know what I mean.
yeah, yeah, I know.
Like, it's rocking a hard place.
Yeah. Oh, I really like going up to really super high speed. What speed am I on? 30.
You're going past the planet. I
Wait,
forgot
is
to...
that the planet?
Yeah, that's the planet. Sorry, I
Oh,
forgot to
the
tell
little
you.
one that's
No, the planet.
the big one.
Yeah. All right, this is a different kind of landing. Well, it's not true. It's the same kind of landing, but it will be different.
Oh
Oh
god.
my god, turn that timescale down
Oh
right
god, oh
now.
god, I was turning it the wrong way. No! Oh, okay, well, I've died again.
Okay, that will not actually happen in the final game. You cannot increase the timescale beyond 10 in the final.
Oh god. Hug the line. Hug
It's
the
just
line.
never going to make it, not at that speed. Nah, you'll get this.
I'm dead.
Deados.
That was entirely my own fault.
Again, you're the worst playtester ever. Why you were so good last week?
I know, I know. Right. I need to buckle up. Like, I've just been sort of pissing about. Do it properly. I mean, I haven't been pissing about, but like, you know what I mean? It's your starship before. So let's actually read the tutorials and things. Does using that extra boost make your fuel go down any quicker? Fred. Okay. I'm alone in space and car. That sound is creepy when there's nobody there. for the viewers, in case you don't know, it's saying there's a signal, it's triangulating it and blah blah blah, but it does like a weird alien sound type thing first. And God, is it scary? Don't worry, I was keeping the viewers entertained. While you
My
were,
dad wants me to go and vote at 9 o'clock at night on the day.
well, I mean, they don't shut till 10.
Yeah, I know. I should go, but I'm just busy. I've got to do this.
That's true, but people died for your
That's
right
what
to
he
vote.
said. Shut up.
It's not a lie though. People genuinely did.
See, it's really frustrating me watching you play because you're dying to all sorts of shit circumstances. But, like, it's shit circumstances that can't really do a lot about.
The shit circumstances that are mostly my fault.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't want to put it that bluntly, but sure.
Alright, so diadem, is it the big thing in the middle or the little moon? Or whatever
Alkaloider's
it's.
the big boy.
Alright, so I'm heading to the big boy, yeah?
Yep. I'm gonna have to go and vote, which means we're gonna have to call it at some point soon.
Is there a pause? I can always just pause and leave it paused.
Um. Yeah. There is, of course, there's a pause. There's a pause many.
Oh yeah. Shit.
All right, let me go and inform my dad. Damn democracy.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll go in a minute. So I guess we'll be resuming this tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Well, I'm maybe not tomorrow, but later on at least.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, hopefully if you're around tomorrow, we'll try and do that as well. Yeah, I just
Yeah. Shall
words.
I try and land quickly first and then
Yeah, go on then, do a land. I mean, Clem's having dinner, so it'll be 5-10 minutes.
oh, okay.
This is the
Alright.
bit I need to playtest as well. That's not even this. The thing I need to playtest is the end of the damn game,
Oh, so,
which we'll probably do tomorrow.
so basically I need to be good to get to the end of the
Well, it's
game.
the thing. There's a fine line between being good and the game just being shit. So
Or
that's
being
what.
hard, there's a difference.
Yeah, there's a line between being hard and being just irritating.
Hmm. I think it's definitely a game you've got to pay attention. I mean, it's easy to get caught up in the nice, the nice feel of it all, but it is actually a game at its core, and it is not an easy game.
Are you saying I'm too harsh on myself?
Yeah, well, I'm saying like you need to think it is a game at the end of the day first and foremost. You're here for the story is great, and I love the atmosphere of it, but I think I've been indulging myself too much in that, and actually think right, let's get down focus and play. It's like
And
when
you
you're playing a
shouldn't.
difficult level of Mario. Do you know what I mean? Like when you're playing difficult, when you've failed it a couple of times, you're like, right, let's do this properly now.
The other thing as well is that you will not know you're supposed to be in a rush.
That's the only thing.
Oh, there. Yep. Seriously, what happened to dinner? Yeah. I thought Clem was going. Yeah, we're gonna have to call it there, James. I'm afraid.
Oh, I'm landing.
Just
Okay.
pause it. I'll be back in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's fair. All right.
Sorry.
That's right. That's
See you in a
right.
bit.
Okay. All right. See you in a bit.